As you travel through the country of autumn, relate your spiritual journey to the rich gifts available at this time. Mother of mercy, Father of faithfulness, I rise up this day. I clothe my soul in the mantle of creation, heavens of light, earth of life, seas of love, surround and support my autumn waking soul. Preserve my soul in compassion. May it shine forth with the rich autumn sunlight. Lady of splendor, Lord of glory, I turn to your loving embrace, entering the shrine of silence. Sacred silence. I give you thanks as my soul is reconsecrated by your silence.